Hi friends, I am back here again, Ali, your teacher. Today in this video I am going to teach you some operators which you will have to use during your program. That is important to know about those operators. I will not go in very much complex detail about the operators. I will only today give you some or sort of idea regarding two basic operators which are OR operator and AND operator. So without wasting any time, I will go towards the explanation. Here I will tell you about that OR and AND operators. I have already written that all OR and AND. So in computer you know very well that true stands for 1 and false stands for 0. Computer works only upon these two digits 1 and 0. So what are OR and AND operation? Basically X and Y are representing two conditions in both of these table. Now I am going to start. First of all, we are going to jump on OR operator. So if we have 0 and 0, which means we have both of our conditions which are false, then what will be the result? It will be again a false. Now I will go, if first condition is true and second is false, so what will be the result? In OR operator it will be true, it is 1. Now if first condition is false and second condition is true, the result will be again true. And the last condition in which both of conditions are true, in OR operator the condition is true. Basically you will notice that it is only when both the conditions are false you can say that OR is false, otherwise it is always true. You can also take it as a plus operator. When you plus 1 and 0 you always get 1, and 1 plus 1 is also 1 in computer language. Only 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 or false. Hope it is clear. Now I am jumping towards the AND operator. I will again take the same condition which is false on both sides. So in OR AND operator, if both conditions are false, the result is false. Now if one condition is true and second is false, it is again false. If first condition is false, second is true, it is again false, which is 0. Only when it is true on both sides, it is the only condition in AND operator where the conditions are true and the result is also true. And one thing you will notice is you can take it as a multiplier. Likewise 0 multiplied by 0 equal to 0, 1 by 0 is 0, only 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So this was the basic concept. In OR operator, if only one condition is true you get a true, and in AND operator if anyone is false you will get the result as false. So this was all from my today's video. Now I would like to share my thoughts at the end, which is I will tell you to subscribe my channel, like this video and share it also, and give a suggestion through a comment. I will back again with a new video in which I will use this OR and AND operators. So this is all from my side.